So this wrecked the first half of my lecture, this whole thing that went on for 20 minutes. What a disaster. But I got a question about it, so now I'm going to let it wreck the second half, okay? So I'm going to wreck the first 30 seconds of the second half. Somebody asked, how would you calculate the work if you had the thing go down like this? Oh, interesting. So we said the work was just mgr cosine theta. It was essentially the force mg as you go up. That's really all that matters. But what if you went down? And notice we hadn't done conservation of energy yet, but now I think I can describe this with conservation of energy. And we're not going to do it in nearly as much detail, but let's just look at it. Say you went from here to here, and there's R. What is the force now? Oh, test that intuition. What is the force? It's still straight up. All right. What? We're not accelerating it down. It's moving at constant speed down. All I got to do is balance the weight so it doesn't do that. Right? It doesn't fall. So anyway, if you did the dot product now, the angle is the same plus 180 or something. So it's negative. The answer is the work is negative mg r cosine theta. Right. Negative work means what? It lost energy. If this was an external force, I took energy away from it. And did it lose energy? Yeah. Its potential energy went down, right, from high to low. So even in terms of conservation, it kind of makes sense. Depends on what you consider the system. Okay. So that's a really quick answer to that question. The other question is, what was the other question? It is so blank cold in here, and I just can't have one question why. I don't know. It's like a bad use of money. This is the hardest room to air condition and I mean, it's so uninsulated that it should be the temperature of outside. I guess right now it is. It's hard to heat, but they over air condition. I don't know why they over air condition. Yeah, there's no heat in here. So everybody kind of do this. Let's all do this. That'll be Tuesday's lecture. If everybody would just do this, we would heat up the room.